I mentioned previously that you're only allowed one video track per project, and that's because Cubase isn't a video editor as such, but it is capable of doing basic stuff with video. You're not limited to just bringing in one file and having to work with that. You can do a few different things. One thing that is important is that you will have to have video files in the correct format. So if I go to import a video file, I've made a point of creating some here which I know aren't compatible. So that if I try to import, for example, a Windows Media video file, you'll see it's telling me down here that it's an invalid or unsupported file. I'm also able to filter this list by file types. So I could choose to just show AVI files. It would let me bring that one in, weirdly. So if I click open, it will let me bring it in. That's because the reason it would let me bring that one in is because although it's an AVI file, it has a QuickTime movie stream inside it. So that should play back. You can see the quality isn't as good because it's been compressed down previously. It's not Cubase doing that, I've done that. If I wanted to import another video, I could do that very easily. I could just move the playhead away from where the video is and choose, again, File, Import, Video File. And like importing anything, you can actually do more than one at once. So I'm going to choose Trees and City, okay? So I'm going to bring those in, and it's going to ask me if I want to insert each one on the same track or a different track. I'm not quite sure what would happen if you said different tracks because it doesn't allow more than one video track, so that might be a slight quirk in the interface, but you're going to want to put them on one track anyway. So there we go. So it's brought in my files, and I'm able to move these around like audio events on the timeline. You see that they can overlap as well. So you can just do a simple video cut